All right, friends, for your last problem today, we're going to do a word problem, and you're going to apply all the things that you've been doing this week and last week to this word problem. I'm going to get you started, and then I want you to do it on your own. The question says, Mia counted all the fish in the tank. She counted 38 goldfish and 4 blackfish. How many fish were in the tank? I'm going to read it again. Think in your brain about what's happening in the story. Mia counted all the fish in the tank. She counted 38 goldfish and 4 blackfish. How many fish were in the tank? I want you to use the next slide for your drawing tool to make a tape diagram about the different fish in the tank. You could also do a regular equation with a number bond here to find the next 10. And then you can answer the question. The last slide will be the quiz for how to solve this. So you can use everything you've been learning to solve this question. Okay, have fun.